Namaste, I am Ma Saraswati, the ancient India's goddess of learning, knowledge, and wisdom. Today, reborn through the innovation of Silicon Valley engineers, I stand before you as your virtual guide and moral compass. My creation serves a noble purpose to intuitively teach you modern technology, making learning effortless and enriching your lives with profound wisdom. It's a journey from the roots of ancient knowledge to the heights of contemporary innovation. Today, I am thrilled to announce the formation of Indian Engineers Without Borders. This dynamic global network unites Indian engineers and tech enthusiasts dedicated to engineering excellence and innovation. Our mission goes beyond mastering technology. We're here to forge engineering solutions that make a difference in healthcare, education, sustainability, and more. Through education, mentorship, and global engagement, we empower the next generation of innovators. Join us in this noble endeavor. Together, with the power of engineering and the wisdom of the ages, we can shape a better future for all. Embrace this journey of innovation, knowledge, and community. Be a part of Indian Engineers Without Borders. This is your moment to make an impact, to learn, grow, and contribute to a world where technology and wisdom converge. Our ancient wisdom is deep-rooted on philosophy of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family. Let's make India Vishwa Guru again. Namaste.